It is not bad enough for the Russian invaders that their failed invasion of Ukraine is going horribly wrong, but Russia has struggled to sustain effective offensive combat power since the start of the invasion, the UK Ministry of Defense said on Tuesday, adding that the problem was likely to become increasingly acute. The ministry said Moscow was still nominally committing 6 separate armies to its Donbas offensive, but suggested that troop numbers had significantly decreased. It also suggested that Ukrainian counterattacks would give Moscow's military planners a headache, given Russia's immediate policy objective of seizing all of the Donetsk region. As well as dealing with severe undermanning, Russian planners face a dilemma between deploying reserves to the Donbas or defending against Ukrainian counterattacks in the southwestern Kherson sector, the ministry said. While Russia may still make further territorial gains, their operational tempo and rate of advance is likely to be very slow without a significant operational pause for reorganization and refit. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has expanded a Monday shakeup of his security service, suspending 28 more staff members, a day after he dismissed 2 senior officials. The move came after allegations that their agencies harbored collaborators and traitors. In his nightly video address on Monday, Zelensky said a personnel audit of the security service of Ukraine was underway because of unsatisfactory results of work at different levels. Zelensky fired SBU chief Ivan Bakanov and prosecutor general Irina Venediktova on Sunday, citing hundreds of criminal proceedings into treason and collaboration by people within their departments, as well as other law enforcement agencies. Analysts say the moves appear designed to tighten Zelensky's control over the army and security agencies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.